Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Okay, here we are heading out to the Tesla Model 3. It's a 2018 model. We're having a bit of an issue with it. The door opens okay. You can see it says no connectivity right there. Right there. Okay, the radio works, but that's about it. I can't advance, I can't pause. Stations don't change. I can't turn the heat on. Can't turn the seat heaters on. I can't even open the screen to get to the glove box. So if you got pulled over by a friendly officer, you wouldn't be able to show them your license and registration. So that can be an issue right there. What you want to do is the two scroll buttons right here, 1 and 2, hold them down at the same time and wait till the screen goes black, and then it should reboot, and we'll see if that does anything. So here we go. I'm going to hold them both down. Oh, the worst part of this is that my Shave Nation, my garage door doesn't open when I pull up. So that means, you know, you have to park the car, get out, manually go inside, open the door, and then come back in the car and pull in. So that's kind of a pain as well. Hold down both scroll buttons at the same time until the screen goes black. So here we go. Let's try it. I'm holding down both buttons. There we go. The screen went black. So I'll release the buttons and we'll see what happens now. Okay, it took a good minute, about 60 seconds, and then the Tesla emblem, the Tesla logo, popped up on the screen. Let's see what happens now. Music is back up. There's the picture of my vehicle. Okay, let's see if we can change anything. The scroll wheel for the volume worked before. Let's see if we can get to the glove box screen. Yes, it worked. Awesome. So we can open the glove box. Oh, gotta enter my PIN. Don't look. Okay, the glove box opens up. There we go. Let's check the seat warmers. Those are working. Let's try to turn the heat on. That works. So that took care of it. A quick reboot and everything is back to normal. So that was a quick and easy way to correct the frozen screen on this Tesla 2018 model, the Model 3. And if you have this issue, all you need to do is just hold down both scroll buttons till the screen goes black, then release, and it takes about a minute. Tesla logo pops up, and then everything will reboot and things will go back to normal. Everything will start working again. If that doesn't work, a second thing you can try is the exact same thing, but stepping on the brake first and then holding down both scroll buttons until the screen goes black, and then release the scroll wheels and the brake, and then within a minute or so it should reboot and everything come back to normal again. All right, I hope this helps. This has nothing to do with shaving, but if you'd like to check out my over 300 shaving videos, if you'd like to learn about shaving with safety razors, straight razors, creams, soaps, brushes, stones, strapping, honing, all that, then just click that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell up there. You'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Oh, the ultimate test, I almost forgot. Let's see if the garage door works. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.